Yeah, we will have the heat and humidity out there. Not much in the way of rain for us, though. We've been talking about Alberto, the heavy rain. That threat for severe weather will continue across South Texas. We'll talk a little bit more about that later. Let's get you out the door here right now. It is a warm and muggy one out there for us for sure. Taking you out to DFW. Really don't anticipate any weather-related delays today. If you do have a flight out, maybe heading away for vacation, 79 degrees taking you out to DFW. So it is warm. It is stuffy out there. 77 for Lancaster and DeSoto. 78 heading out to Plano this morning along with Fort Worth. Now, as we look at those dew point temperatures, they're in the lower 70s. So it's a little more muggy than it was this time yesterday. Low, even mid 70s. Heading over to Canton, Hillsborough. Look at that dew point temperature of 76. So that puts us well into the uncomfortable category. So the air is going to be a bit heavy once you head out the door here this morning. So yes, it's a warm and sticky start for sure. Now those highs today will climb into the lower 90s, upper 80s, closer to 90 degrees in our western counties. And that's where we'll have the best chance for some isolated showers that's still left over for today. And as we go to the satellite radar composite, you see that activity very light out towards Stephenville, picks up a little bit as we head over toward Brownwood, and a few passing showers we've seen out toward Hamilton and Meridian here this morning too. So as we look at that coverage for you Thursday, less than 20% over most of North Texas. So we can't rule out maybe a spotty shower or two. And you see we bump those rain chances up. Still going to be light, but only about a 30 to 40% coverage in our far western and southwestern counties as we go through the day. In fact, as we look at our timecast, as we start to heat up a little bit more today, can't rule out an isolated shower or two popping up across parts of North Texas here for today. But the better chances will remain out to our west, and that continues to drift on away. The rain chances will as we head on into tonight and tomorrow. Now, beyond that, we will turn our attention to the heat over the weekend. Look at these highs. They do climb back into the upper 90s, approaching triple digits. Not quite ready to put that on the map yet, but we are looking at that heat index. That's what we're going to be talking about Sunday going into Monday of next week. 103 to 104 is what it's going to feel like. Wouldn't be surprised if we see a heat advisory as we get into next week. And those daytime highs through at least the middle of the week. Going to stay around 98 to 99. Maybe that next chance for some showers and thunderstorms arrives by the middle of next week. All right, Tashara, over to you.